Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone, welcome back to our next series of this unboxing video. Thank you all so much for your patience. And thank you so much for coming back, for watching the next video of this unboxing. Like I said, I have 30 plants here, so I have to take care. I have to be careful, that's what I mean. I have to be careful unwrapping them. So here we go, the first one for this video. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, I'm excited with this one. Dun 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 dun. Oops. Ta-da! Ooh, another Insiglia. I have another Insiglia. Yep, it's Insiglia alata cross-sib. So, oh look, I have a new growth. So, I hope to get flower from this one. I hope. But I have a new growth there, so I'm happy with it. Wow, this is bigger than the first one, huh? Where's the other one? I'm going to show y'all. Here we go. See, we got two Insiglias. I've been wanting to receive Insiglias from Carmela's, but I never did. So this time I got two from that. So let me just put this here. I have two Insiglias and they're not the same. All right, this is the last one, I guess. No, let's see, I'll count 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, I have another one to open. I think I have more than that, more than what they said. So oh yeah, 12. I only have 12. So this is the small ones, the freebies. Let's see what's in these freebies. Let's see what they gave me. So I have 12 freebies here. Ooh, this is a Vanda. Oh wow, I like Vandas. And look, the roots, they're growing nice. I hope this is growing so good. Yep, this is a Vanda, and this is a Vasco Vivbon Velvet Perfection. What? Perfection? I know, I love perfection. But I'm not sure if this is a perfect one though. But anyway, I have a little one. I don't know how long it will take for these to bloom, but I got this one here. All right, that's the first baby. Let's see what's next. What? This is a species. Oh, thank you so much for this. So little. My tongue's getting twisted from excitement. Ooh, this is a very cool one. This is a species plant. This is Edendrubium. Ooh, it says Epiporpex. I don't know what's that mean, but still, I love this. Oh gosh. Thank you, Carmela. You're making me happy now. You're so... I love it. Thank you. All right, I'm getting excited and excited. Oh gosh, my heart is pumping hard. Let's see what's the next one. Like, ta-da! Oh gosh, Carmela. Oh gosh. This is Brachavola Fernii. Oh yeah, the B is the Brachavola. So let me show you the B here. Letter B. This here, the B nodosa. This is Brachavola. So let's put this here too. Oh my! Thank you so much, Carmela. I've been wanting these. These are species ones. Oh, thank you, Carmela. You are so nice to me. Anyway, that's all the surprises. Oh, I got three surprises from y'all. Thank you. So this is a maybe they breed this BLC Maurice Gloria Avery, because Avery is the name of their granddaughter, I guess. Granddaughter. Grandchild. All right, I'm safe from that. Grandchild. So this is just a baby one, but I'm not sure how long it will take for me to bloom this one. I hope to grow it nice. My heart pumped from those three. Okay, these are all Catalys now, I guess. So this one is a Buttonara. What is rep? Cliff Chuchi Hawaii. So I am sure this is not a blooming size yet. So we got that number, what, 1 2 3 4 5. I'm not gonna count anymore. All right, this is a baby one of these Maltasia D Fujitake Calicat. So this is a nice one too. This is just a baby one, so I'm gonna wait for how many long. I hope not to kill it. Oops. I dropped my microphone. Yep. So next one. Ooh, it's a cute one. It's a Cataly. Ooh, it's a moat orchid. So it's a moat spots paradise. This is a cool one, a very nice one. I know moat orchids are very good. Same thing with the Coral Smith. I like those orchids. Well, anyway, let's see if I'm grow this very good. Okay, another Insidium. Maltasia Dark Star. The what? The Orchid Works. All right, so this is a baby. I hope to grow you good. I hope you like me too. All right, this one is a Cataly again. It's LC Robert Straight Blue Hawaii. So it's a nice one. All right, number 10. Cataly. This is Hawaii Leopard Mailing. So leopard, I like getting leopard because their flowers are just so beautiful, and it also smells nice, so it's pretty. All right, I got 2 more. All right, Dendrobium, my favorites. Tangerine. Wow, I've been wanting one this Tangerine. I got one finally. It's a baby one though, but still. Tangerine. All right, I like it. And the last one is Buttonara Paradise Rose, my Valentine. All right, this is so cool. So we made it to the last one. I can close this now. I'm not gonna use it anymore, but maybe later I will. Anyway, I'm going to unwrap this later, and okay, I'm gonna make a video, another video unwrapping them, but it's not gonna go to the series video anymore. Anyway, I would like to take this time to say thank you everyone for spending time watching my video. but this one here is just making me crazy. I smell I keep smelling it. The aroma of the flowers just so nice. I really love this one. I received one of these Maxillaria, I think 4 years ago. It died. I don't know what happened to it, but it died. I tried to grow it, but it did not survive. So anyway, I think I'm gonna do a different way of growing this one this time. So anywho, let me continue what I'm trying to say. This is just so anyway. Yes, thank you all so much, my dear friends, for your support of me and for your trust on my channel, especially my channel members. Thank you all so much for y'all. And I cannot say all of your names here, but my very old channel members are Kuya Pudik TV, Cataly's mom. Thank you so much for y'all. And Arvin Vlogs, thank you so much, Kuya Arvin, for not canceling your membership on me. And of course, YouTube family channel, thank you so much. These 4 people are the one that stays on me for years already, especially Kuya Pudik and Ate Kelly's mom. They are the pioneer member of this channel. And also, I also have my editor, my thumbnail editor, of course, my cousin, Interesting Hobby Chat. Thank you so much for your support of me all the time, especially on my live streamings. And Kuya Ernesto Makawile, thank you so much to you as well. And of course, the ones that keep helping us, not only me, but also to my other friends at YouTube. I would like to especially thank Kuya Ice Mix Vlog. Thank you so much, Kuya Ice, for being so nice of me and to all of my friends as well. I don't know what else I'm gonna say. Ate Moral, the wife of Kuya Ice Mix. Thank you so much, Ate Moral, for being a very supportive wife to your husband as well. And maybe I'm getting emotional. I don't want that. So anywho, thank you all so much. And I'm so sorry if I don't remember the other names, but I think I'm just going to make me a video one day about my YouTube channel members, and I'm going to thank y'all. And also, I would like to extend my warmest thanks to all of my crafties channel member as well. I have another channel. It names is Crafty. It means craft with me, Liberty. So that's why it's Crafty. So that's all for today's video, and this is all for this video series of my unboxing video series. And thank you all so much, and I love you all so much, really I do. I am so sincere about what I'm saying right now, and every time I do video, every time whatever word I say, it's coming from my heart. So thank you all so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.